expensive and time consuming. You have to literally
Yeah.
pull up the dates from the time it was homesteaded. Usually when it was homesteaded, that original person from the federal government, the original person has mineral rights. And then somewhere along the way, what usually happens is they convey it, and it says in the legal description, we're conveying the surface rights to this property, but not the mineral rights.
Right.
If no one's done that.
And then that doesn't carry on to every deed. So you don't know that until you go digging and look.
I mean, it's what this is in a really good way is agricultural property. So $18,000 for 40 acres of agricultural property is a smoking deal.
You know, this is part of our business. Like, I feel good about it. We've had some deals where like, wow, that guy just killed it. And like, that's okay. I did great too. I felt good with my transaction. Good for him. And I have a buyer for life.